What up, world? It's Machiavelli the Don, back with another reaction, y'all, on BB guns. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe bell. This is about BB guns, y'all. Yeah, y'all hit that like button, man. Let's get this video up to 500 views, you know what I'm saying? Came with 1,500 steel BBs, you know what I'm saying? Brand new. I just cut it open. Y'all hit that like button. It's that brown and black MP40. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You stick the BBs in there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, good. It's got them. It's got them good ones on here. That's them good sights. You know what I'm saying? This is where you lock it up at. You know what I'm saying? And then, yeah, I got, this is 1,500. Plus, I got 1,000, you know what I'm saying, in the man cave of these. So, and five of these, you know, and it's good for my other, you know, BB gun, you know what I'm saying? So, so yeah. Can't forget about this one. That's that 357. You know what I mean? Can't go wrong. I like the MP40. Well, I like the John Wayne a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? That 357, you know, snub nose. Yeah. Comes with, you know, the directions. Like I said, this is an MP40, brown and black. You know what I mean? Yeah. Kids, do not try these at home. You feel me? You know, got all the directions and stuff in here. Smith & Wesson, 40 MP. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Yeah, it came in the mail, y'all. I had to cop this one. This mug is sexy. You know what I'm saying? It's that Smith & Wesson. Springfield. Can't go wrong with the BBs. Man, 1,000 downstairs. And then it came with 1,500. That's a lot, you know? But like I said, y'all, this is what it good. This is what it do. You know what I'm saying? 357, 40 MP. Come in handy. But yeah, y'all, this is about, you know what I'm saying? But this is a BB and pellet. And this is just a regular BB. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all. Don't forget to smash that like button, y'all. If y'all got one of these at the crib, you know what I'm saying? Facts. You know what I'm saying? That new joint. You know, I had to get the new joint. You know what I'm saying? You come out like that. Stick them in through right there. You gotta pull that lever down. And then once you get it full, you know, it's gonna stop. You know, with the spring. Yeah, y'all. That's that new hot one. Like I said, you know what I'm saying? Fuck a hot girl summer. It's a hot boy summer. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all know what it is. It's that MP 357 snub nose. Snub nose. Yep. But yeah, y'all, other than that, you know what I'm saying? This mug came in the mail today, so I had to let y'all check this out. You know what I'm saying? You know, he look official. He look official. But you know, that's what it is, y'all. You know, I'm finna be out though and test that bad boy out. But like I said, y'all know my motto. Be safe, stay dangerous, stay sucker free. Smackavelli.